This is how to adjust the top rack in your Curry's Essential Dishwasher. You don't need to switch off the power. This is very simple and easy to do. So you might want to start off first by taking out any cutlery that you may already have inside. Like right here. And now we can start. Right. The reason why we may want to adjust it is if we zoom in on the bottom down here, you'll see the spray arm and we've got some tall dishes there, plates there. If I spin this, it's going to hit that, which is going to affect washing and it may break the plates. See? And you also struggle to get even bigger stuff in. If I get this here, ready for washing, and them out. If I get this big pan here, and I try to put it in, I put it in the bottom rack here. If I try and set it up, yeah, it's going to get stuck there. I mean, I could lie this down actually, to be honest, but it's on the plates anyway. Right. Most people have bigger plates like this, so you're going to want to adjust it. When you adjust it, take into account that any wine glasses that go into the top here will no longer fit, or struggle to fit underneath here when it gets raised. This is the point of the dishwasher. This is how it's adjustable. Right. How to do it is simple. You need to locate these little white clips here. Got one there and one on the opposite side. What you need to do is pull, see, on that. Pull that until it unclips like that, and then slide off, and do the same on the opposite side. Right. Next, you want to pull this out, as you would. Now you can now put it in the same position. This is the lower position, or you can put it into the higher position, which is simply wind them up. There we are. Roll back, and then you've got two more wheels. Ready, this one here. You may want to, when you put it in, you may need to guide it in with, so hold this. And then do the same on the opposite side once it's sat in. There we are. Push all the way to the back, like so. And then you'll notice that these are still open here. Right, so what you then do is get one of the clips and simply push until this little white clip flicks back in. You hear that then when you clicked in? Again, show you. So you push. Ready? Watch this little white thing flick in. There we are. So that's how you know it's in. Do the same on the opposite side. Pull out just to test. Make sure it stops. There we go, it stops. There we are. And now, what should happen is, if I put this bottom rack back in, and zoom back into the back there. This brake arm should now not no longer catch. Job done. So that is how to adjust your Currys Essential dishwasher's top rack. Thanks for watching, guys.